I'm holding the instructions for him. Okay, go, babe. I'm scared for you. No, no. No, babe, no. No, you're... It has the kill switch. That's so funny. You have to let it get up to... Yep, and then start going slow. Babe, babe.
Well, the back wheel isn't fucking working. That's the problem. It's too. Yeah.
Sam, don't get it over to those trees over there.
Close. Close.
Dang. Just go for it. Just go for it. There you go.
Dude, go down, Sam. Try to go down. Try to go down.
Babe, don't go over that way.
Dang, dude, you're pretty good at flying now.
Yeah, dude, you're awesome at flying that shit. Be careful not to fuck with the trees. Okay, try to land it now. Go slow, go slow. Go slow, go slower. Bring it, Samuel.
Pumping so fucking fast right now. Holy shit. That is probably the more nervous I've ever been in my fucking life. Awesome. Sick, you gotta send me that because I gotta send it to Rob.